High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a silent danger that can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and kidney problems. In this video, we'll break down the real causes like salt, stress, and poor diet, and show you how to reverse or control it naturally through healthy foods, lifestyle changes, and smart habits. Plus, you'll learn what to do if your blood pressure suddenly spikes. Your heart deserves better, so take charge today. High blood pressure occurs when the force of blood pushing against your artery walls is consistently too high. Over time, this strains your heart, damages arteries, and increases your risk of heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, and more. Poor diet. Too much salt, processed foods, saturated fats, sugar, not enough potassium, magnesium, or fiber, lack of physical activity, obesity and overweight, chronic stress, smoking and excess alcohol, genetics and age, risk increases after age 40, family history of hypertension, sleep issues, poor sleep or sleep apnea increases pressure. How to control blood pressure naturally. Eat blood pressure-friendly foods. Focus on the DASH diet, which stands for dietary approaches to stop hypertension. So what should you include? Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula, berries such as blueberries and strawberries, bananas, which are high in potassium, beets, as they contain nitrates that can help lower pressure, oats, since they're high in fiber, salmon, mackerel, and flax seeds, all good sources of omega-3 fatty acids, garlic, which acts as a natural vasodilator, dark chocolate, but only in moderation, and don't forget low-fat dairy, nuts, and legumes. Cut back on salt and sodium. Try to limit it to less than 1,500 milligrams per day if you're at risk. Also, watch out for sugary drinks, processed meats, and canned soups. Limit alcohol to just 1 drink a day for women and 2 for men, and keep an eye on caffeine, especially if you're sensitive to it. Exercise regularly. Aim for 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, whether that's walking, swimming, or cycling. Lose excess weight. Even dropping just 5 to 10% can make a real difference. Quit smoking. Manage your stress with meditation, journaling, or deep breathing. And make sure you're getting quality sleep, 7 to 9 hours each night. So, what should you do if your blood pressure is just too high? If your blood pressure is consistently 140/90 or even 180/120 in emergencies, it's really important to take action. And, please like, share and subscribe to stay updated with more health tips. Immediate actions you can take are, well, first sit down and breathe slowly. Try your best to stay calm. If you have medication prescribed, take it as directed. It's also wise to avoid caffeine, alcohol, and salty foods right away. Then measure your blood pressure again in about 5 to 10 minutes. You should call emergency services if you notice symptoms such as chest pain, shortness of breath, blurry vision confusion, or a severe headache. These can be signs of something serious, so don't hesitate to seek help. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful information. Take care.